In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate just one page in Microsoft Word. If you have a wide table, a large image, or a chart in Microsoft Word and you try to flip that single page to landscape, Word usually ruins your entire layout by rotating every single page in your document. Today, we are unlocking a hidden shortcut that only flips exactly one page sideways while leaving the rest of your document perfectly untouched. Let's isolate the target page. First, scroll to the page that you want to rotate. I'll just use this one with this little bit of text, and use your mouse to highlight all the text, images, or tables on that specific page. Like that, we can just click Control A, and then when your content highlighted, move your cursor up to the top navigation ribbon and click on the Layout tab. Look right here below the tab for the group labeled Page Setup. This one, the first one that pops up in the menu. Instead of clicking the standard orientation button, which flips everything, look at the bottom right corner of that page setup section. Click the tiny square launch icon with an arrow on it. It's this little button here, and then this will instantly open the advanced page setup control window on your screen. Then, once inside this setting window, we are going to tell Word to break its default rules. Look under the orientation section and click on landscape. Now, do not click OK yet. Drop your eyes to the very bottom of the window where it says Apply To, and then click that drop-down menu right over here, which is currently set to the whole document. And then instead, just choose Select Text. And once you toggle this option, then you can click OK in the bottom right corner, and as you can see, Word will instantly isolate your highlighted section, automatically adjust the hidden breaks before and after it, and it flips just that single page sideways while keeping your entire document perfectly aligned. And as you could see, this one's quite vertical and this one is now landscape. Pretty simple as you could see, so don't forget to find this button here under the page setup. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.